many of my Indian friends, even radical leftists, respect much more than Gandhi Ambedkar, who was the great anti-caste liberal. Gandhi was never against castes. He just said each caste has its own dignity. They are all children of God. It's the same thing as fascists are saying. Working class also has its proper place and dignity and so on and so on. So in this sense, I must say, I enjoyed the movie, but I didn't like this pseudo-metaphysical background. Forget about that.
Slavoj Žižek, thank you so much for taking the time to speak to me. It's been
I'm grateful to you, and I'm very sorry, concluding joke, if you're still on that. I like, you were not active enough, because, you know, when people ask me about dialogue and violence, you know what's my standard answer? I like dialogues, but like late Plato's dialogues, where one guy talks all the time, and the other guy just says every 10 minutes, by Zeus, so it is Socrates, and so on. I like, my favorite part of our speech today, the dialogue, is that once I did provoke you into striking back a little bit, you know.
Yeah,
You should maybe, even if we will have another opportunity, no? Let's put it this way, I cannot avoid upsetting, no?
Yeah, of course.
I would like to go on well. Let's consider this an intellectual, not sexual, another one more, you know,
Kama Sutra,
Sorry?
We'll do it Kama Sutra.
but also, let's not go into it, because with Kama Sutra I also have problems, you know. It's for me the ultimate book that ruins sexuality.
Slavoj, thank you so much.
I'm really grateful to you, because I was told you
It's
were
such a
nice
lonesome
private
world, I'd like to take you home, like to take you in the try you on, but the sun is always lying, and the moon always rise, and the devil lure the children with the sugar.
Thank you very much.
That's my praise, mate. Thank you.
Okay,
Happy, guys?
finito
Finito.
now.
Bloody hell.
Fuck you,
Sunshine in
up
the
your
morning,
side or
heading to
whatever.
a job I hate, but falling long about that can't be banned. Need money for the cow bop, fried chicken slider for the pot apartment pet who's always raising rent, yeah. And the planes came out of nowhere jumping, people screaming, falling. 2 towers finally toppling down onto a lovely old hill.
Online too.
Was day so fireworks. Got a piss in the cows all milked and spent. What?